King Jesus is back to the hip hop world. Rap battle. This is a message for 2 Chainz. Adam and Eve, Cain and Abel, good versus evil. Why you out there killing our kids with that devil music? King Jesus at you. Check 1, 2. King Jesus back on the scene, 2 Chainz. You can't hang with the hip hop man. It's too real over here. You can't see me cause I see the picture real clear. 2013 is coming up to a new day. Say hooray for the hip hop. May I ask you a question? Why you killing the people with that negativity, deception in the brain? You must be lame. You must can't entertain right. Hip hop tonight, King Jesus. I'm knocking you out of sight. Like I'm Mike Tyson or something. Come on, y'all, King Jesus bumping. In the microphone, I'm letting it go. 2 Chainz, you falling, bro. Cause you can't hang with the real hip hop. Yeah, I do it non-stop. King Jesus, I'm gonna rock. I'm gonna rise to the top. Hip hop is me, first degree. I told you I'm no wannabe in this new thing called life. This new thing is not nothing trife. It's all about universal brother sisterhood. See, I'ma bring it all good. 2 Chainz, you can't hang with me. See, I got the rapping degree in the creative mind. See, my mind is bright, it's right on time. I got to keep that real, the microphone still. King Jesus back on the scene, 2014, keeping the hip hop clean. Boy, no wannabes like 2 Chainz. Come on, boy, you got to be silly in the brain talking about that bull crap you ain't never did. Now you wanna be in showbiz, sold your soul. Now I got to expose you, you lame. 2 Chainz, King Jesus, rocking the microphone, man. Come and get me if you wanna try. See, I'm that spiritual high guy on the microphone. King Jesus, burn you with my mouth, the throne. I'm the truth. See, I'm in the booth, my own way. Creativity, no negativity. 2 Chainz, get something on your brain. Quit being lame, insane. That's no gain. You fall every time, man. King Jesus.